Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Life in High Definition. Thank you for joining me and spending your precious time with me. Hope everyone is alright, not too hot and sticky. Even though the weather has turned a bit cloudy, it's still muggy and hot, isn't it? Just before I get started, I wanted you to have a little look at my eyelashes if you can see them. This side is the Beauty Crop, which I think is about £16 for the mascara, and this side is the Essence mascara that I just got in my glossy box, which is like £2.80 or something. So this side is this one. I think it must be a fibre mascara or something. It's very, when you take it off, it comes off in like bits. And the other side is this Essence one. And to be honest, I like the Essence side better. Who knew that only £2.80, I think it's £2.80, could get you nicer lashes. Just thought I would put the tiniest bit of makeup on to show you this. I wasn't going to record tonight, but then I thought, oh, I can't wait. I really want to get inside and see what's in this box. I've been holding back. And you've seen the picture and you've seen the title, so you know what we're here for. Birchbox, oh yeah, and look at it. Look at it, it's beautiful. So we've got like this pink reflective Birchbox panel, and then it's pinks, purples, yellows. It's so lovely. And the other thing that's different about this month's Birchbox is it's a box. Normally it's like got a pull-out drawer. Last month we had a tin, this month we have a box. So Birchbox are keeping us on our toes, I guess. If you want to see what's inside, then I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and when you're done, share the video. Alright, let's get into it. First look. There we go. It's looking pretty packed, isn't it? Birchbox is a monthly subscription. It's £12.95 a month, including P&P. I have got a code that I'll put on screen you can use if you'd like to. The main complaint, I guess, about Birchbox is that the samples are too small, but to be fair, I seem to get it every single month because I like what's inside, I guess. I just can't stop getting it. So I personally still like it. What are we doing this month? Say yes to adventure. July's box is yes to adventure. Hello Birchboxers, with summer stretching ahead, it's time to say yes to adventure. Throughout July, we'll be encouraging you to be bold and try something new, however big or small, near or far. That might mean buying those festival tickets, rocking a new hairdo, or stepping outside your beauty comfort zone. Whatever adventure means to you, just remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Okay, are they sending me off on a tropical trip? Please. August sneak peek we've got on the back. Pick your full-size Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics eyeshadow crayon. That's a mouthful, or DLS for short, in fetch or gold plated. So when you sign up for Birchbox, you can do this. I cancelled my Birchbox and reordered, and I just got a discount, so I got my box for like £7.95 or £8.95 this month instead of £12.95. It's always my top tip: cancel, reorder, and you can get a discount from somewhere. Who wants to pay full price? There is a thing though, if you are a constant Birchboxer, that you get 10%, while you're subscribed, you get 10% off the items in the box. After 6 months, I think you get like 25% off or something. Oh, 6 boxes, you get 15% VIP discount. There you go. So there are benefits to not doing what I do, but personally, I like the £5 off or so each month. Anyway, shall we just get opening? What should we go for first? Let's do this. This, it came in a little bubble wrap thing. It's from Alifeinhighdef, and it is a bronzer, I think. Step 3 Perfect. 3-in-1 brow, eye and cheek. Okay. Oh, okay. I guess they're meaning that you can use it for your eyebrows, your bronzer, your contour, and your maybe like in the crease or as an eyeshadow colour. That's nice. Let's get it open. It's called the Trifecta. This is the item this month that we had a choice between this, and I think it was a blusher from Alifeinhighdef. So that's what it looks like open. It's quite soft. Oh, it's kind of peachy on me. Not sure if that's my colour, to be honest. I don't know, maybe. It's not terrible actually. A bit more blending required, but that side to that side. This side a bit better. I know this isn't like top makeup skills 101 here. This is like makeup application with your finger skills. What do you think? I mean, I know it's not applied perfectly, but do you think the colour looks alright on me? Okay, might like that a bit more than I thought actually upon first try, just because, you know, on my hand it looks quite scary and a bit peachy. I guess that's what blending is all about. It's a long way at powder in Paradise or Trifecta. I'll just show you the other colour. You see? Ready to throw out the makeup rulebook, this multi-purpose powder can be used on cheeks and eyes to add a pop of colour wherever you need it. Formulated with a lightweight texture, it glides on smoothly to deliver a healthy flush to cheeks or pretty definition to eyes. So the pink one definitely was more of a blusher, and yeah, you could use it for eyes too. That's good, multitasking products. Do you like that? What is this? Laboratoires Chlorane Flora Water Makeup Remover. Sensitive face and eyes, hypoallergenic. This Flora Water is gentle, fragrance-free, alcohol-free and ideal for removing makeup from face, lips and the most sensitive eyes, even for contact wearers. Tested under ophthalmological control. Remove makeup in one step with this clever micellar water. It contains soothing cornflower, gently removing face, eye and lip makeup. And there's definitely no excuse for sleeping in your makeup now. That would be nice. Give that a try later. Oh, this is a big one. That's what she said. Oops. What's in it for me? I've never heard of this brand. Shower scrub. Walnut shell to naturally exfoliate, sweet almond oil to rejuvenate the skin, plus orange and jasmine flower extracts for an uplifting floral fragrance. Shower scrub. Toasty, selfish, indulgent and in love with yourself products. Treat your body to a new lease of life with this exfoliating treat. It's infused with uplifting orange and jasmine flower extracts that linger on your skin and sweet almond oil to nourish and prevent dryness. Plus it gently scrubs away dull and dead skin cells with fragments of gritted walnut shells. It's only got a foil in it, hasn't it? There's me trying to squeeze away, wondering why my hand's hurting. Oh. I thought it was going to be thicker and it's not. It's like that. It does smell amazing though. But I got way too much out. How do I get it back in? At least I can test it on the makeup I had on my hand and see how that comes off. I know it's body scrub, not makeup, but the walnut, there's not that, it's hard to really show you. I don't know if you can see it. Just the little brown bits on my hand. There's not that many bits, so the scrub is quite a mild scrub. This is the kind of thing that you could use every day, I would think, and it wouldn't be overwhelming on for your skin. You know, like some scrubs are like quite intensive and scratchy, and this one is, yeah, it's definitely very mild. I would be able to use it every day and just feel like it's looking after my skin in the summer, because obviously in the summer we're getting our skin out a lot more, aren't we? We're using all these different products, like we've got suntan lotion, extra moisturizer, and you want your skin to be in tip-top condition. So this I would definitely use myself every day, and it smells amazing. It does smell really good. Oh, I can't wait for that. It reminds me actually of a Nux shower gel. I think it's the precious oil or precious scented oil shower gel, but probably a bit cheaper. It's microbead free. This you have probably seen before. It's from Brow Coat and it's for your eyebrows. It's a waterproof brow gel which tames eyebrows and sets makeup for hours. Whatever brow style or colour you choose, make it long lasting and smudge free with invisible and waterproof Brow Coat brow gel. Brows are tamed and colour fixed in a few simple steps. They also have a lipstick version, and I've now got both, so I've got a complete collection. It's all vegetarian ingredients, and Brow Coat is against animal testing. If pesky brow hairs don't know their place, lock them down with this setting gel. The clear formula grooms brows and adds shine without any flaking, clumping or crunchiness. Used by itself for a natural look or over your favourite brow pencils and powders to give them extra staying power. Extra staying power. The other one I had, I was actually going to put in my giveaway because I thought I didn't need a second one, because I had I don't know what brand it was now. I had this other one from Pixie by Petra, but boy does it look gross now. Because obviously when you put it over like your brow stuff, it picks up the colour. The brush has gone brown. But where the brush sits in the gel, it looks like that. Now, would you still use that? Or is that time to say goodbye? I haven't used it in ages. It's got a 12-month shelf life and I've had it less than 12 months. And it smells alright. It just looks pretty like grim. So I might start using this other one. Now I've got another one. Because this is nice and clear. And I do fully expect it to pick up the colour on this as well. But it just looks a little bit nicer, doesn't it? What would you say? Would you guys carry on using this, or is it time to retire this one now? Let me know. This is, no, it is a brand I know, Smith & Colt, because I've had something as a freebie from them before. The Shining Lip Lacquer. It's like that. And then it says Diary of a Beauty Junkie on the side. Oh, actually, no wonder my box looked extra full this month. This is a freebie because somebody must have used my code. So now I've got a freebie. Thank you very much. Thanks, whoever that was. That's really kind. I really appreciate that. So that's why I've got another one, because this is what they're giving out, I think, at the moment when you get someone to do something on your channel. Right, I've got this stuff all over my hand, so I'm just going to put it on my arm. So it's like a peachy gloss, which if you spread it out, it looks quite sheer. But if you sort of do it thick, it's got a bit more colour to it. Oh, it smells nice. Don't really know if you can see on camera or not, but it has like shiny gold sparkly bits in it. I think, oh, had to drop something. I think I'm probably going to put this towards my giveaway because I don't tend to use glosses that much. And yeah, it'll be nice for someone to get. This will probably be a nice thing to wear in summer, because I am, after my current giveaway, which is open now, on a video called the Pip Box winner giveaway type video. I will link it below. It's still time to enter. You can enter if you're already subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, then you need to do that to enter and follow the instructions in the video. When I hit 375 subscribers, I will be giving away the whole of June's Pip Box, a fully new, fresh June Pip Box, and then I will be starting another giveaway for 400 subscribers, which might include this. So the last official item I am super excited about, and I really mean this, because eye masks, and I love eye masks, and I've actually got one of these which I haven't yet tried, because every time I go to try it I think, oh, I need to film it because I think it's going to really work, and then it's like late and I can't be bothered to film. So I'm really happy to have another set, so I might try them out and then try it again on film with this. That makes me super happy. So it's eye therapy under eye mask with collagen and green tea. It's a single-use mask and 20-minute treatment. Hydrogel patch formulated anti-aging marine-based collagen combined with green tea, aloe vera and vitamins A and E. An intensive under-eye treatment to nourish and minimise the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, under-eye shadow and dryness, while increasing elasticity and firmness for a youthful appearance. A video will be coming soon to you to let you know how they are. Because I've found a lot of eye masks don't really do anything, or at least don't really do anything for me, or there's a very minor change. So I think it's a hard one to get right. For a better round-the-clock solution to fine lines, wrinkles and puffiness, try these hydrogel pads with marine collagen infused with green tea and blah 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 blah. You'll be left bright-eyed in no time. Put your feet up while they get to work. And in the very bottom of the box it says, say yes to urban adventures with 25% off your next stay at generatorhostels.com. Never heard of this. From rooftop vibes of our newly opened Madrid spot to the on the edge of the water Instagram heaven that's our Venice location, pick any of our top 5 destinations: Venice, Barcelona, Madrid, Hamburg and Copenhagen, and receive 25% off. But that sounds nice. 25% off is a good chunk though, isn't it? And I would totally recommend Barcelona. I've been twice and I loved it. I would so love to go back. And that is the total of my box. So I'm just going to add it up and I will be back with you. So I'm back. Looking at this box initially, I was quite excited, and overall I'm happy. Obviously take this out because that's not what everyone will be getting. That means the grand total for everything is £24.39, which is a bit on the crappy side, to be honest, for Birchbox. You know I like my boxes to be twice the cost price at least, and that would make it £26, and it's not even reaching that. But, you know, we're still okay-ish. It's just a bit not enough. I don't really understand why that's not full size. That would have helped. I think because it's $4.75 for 3 of these eye masks, which isn't that much. Like, obviously it's something, but it's not that much, so why not just put in a full pack of these? That would be helpful. Again, this is another case of Birchbox being a little bit on the stingy size, but do I like everything? I am going to use everything. I'm going to use these in a minute, in fact, and I'm probably going to use this to take off my makeup now, see if it's any good, and I am really excited to use this because it smells delicious, and I think it will do well. And I'm glad that the full size is only £7, because at least it means if I like it, it's not that expensive if I go on to buy some. Yeah, overall I do think it's worth it. I am glad I got £5 off the box. That really does help, because I'm going to use everything in here, and I do think the products are nice. I just wish that some of them were a little bit bigger, but I guess that is the Birchbox way, isn't it? Well, I'm sure you will see me next month for Birchbox, pretty sure anyway. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful to find out about July's Birchbox offerings. Until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.